Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from digital attacks or unauthorized access. It involves implementing measures to prevent, detect, and respond to security breaches or threats. Here are some basics of cybersecurity. Password security. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and change them regularly. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. Consider using a password manager to securely store and generate complex passwords. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA whenever possible. It provides an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a unique code sent to your mobile device in addition to your password. Software updates. Keep your operating system, applications, and antivirus software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that address vulnerabilities that attackers can exploit. Firewalls. Enable firewalls on your devices and network. Firewalls monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic, acting as a barrier between your device and potential threats. Antivirus and anti-malware. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to detect and remove malicious programs or files that could compromise your system. Secure Wi-Fi. Secure your Wi-Fi network with a strong password and encryption. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities as it can be easily intercepted. Phishing awareness. Be cautious of suspicious emails, messages, or websites that may try to trick you into revealing sensitive information or downloading malware. Verify the authenticity of such communications before taking any action. Data backup. Regularly backup your important data to an external hard drive, cloud storage, or another secure location. In case of a ransomware attack or system failure, you can restore your data without paying a ransom. Social media privacy. Review and adjust your social media privacy settings to limit the amount of personal information visible to others. Be mindful of what you share publicly, as it can be used for social engineering attacks. Employee training. If you are part of an organization, promote cybersecurity awareness and provide training to employees. Educate them about best practices, potential threats, and how to report suspicious activities. Remember that cybersecurity is an ongoing process, and it requires vigilance and regular updates to stay ahead of evolving threats.